Good morning to all. I am Pungurali. I am going to present now. The topic is DevOps CICD. And this is first, let's begin. Before we have to see about CICD, we have seen about the title is 7 Cs DevOps Framework. That is a structured model outlining the essential phases of the DevOps lifecycle. Mainly, it helps teams collaborate efficiently and encourages continuous delivery and rapid iteration. So, improves automation, communications, and workflow consistency. And this is the 7C life cycles. Initially, plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor. So, this process is continuously occur here. This is mainly the total 7 C's life cycles. And here dev, that is development team, and ops, that is operation team. So both of the teams works parallelly simultaneously and get the output immediately. And this is continuous development. And another one diagram initially start with initially plan, plan, next code, and then build, test, release, deploy, and operate. This is the cycle, entire cycle. This cycle may be first initially start from here, and this is it performs and starts first plan, and second one is code, and third one is build and test, release, deployment, and operation. And this is the entire 7C cycles of and continuous integration and continuous deployment operation. And here first cloud information and GitHub, and the entire cloud information comes into the GitHub account. And this is the continuous integration part. We have to write commit a code, write and build a code, and code deployment and code pipeline. This is one set of parallel continuous integration, and this is continuous delivery side. And this is the Amazon EC2, EKS, Lambda. These are all the Azure, and this is for cloud service. And next, this is major pipeline. So first, developer code, and it's commit by using with the help of GitHub. We have to commit a code, and automatically we receive the get notification to GitHub. So and then we have to commit the code and check out. So this is the second build pipeline. So here check out change if any code, whether it is right, corrections is there any presence, have to check the code, and trigger test, pull test, and trigger releases. And parallelly Azure DevOps mainly used for the cloud services. And finally release the code and execute automatically. And mainly the 7 C's of DevOps. What are the functions present? These 7 functions of mainly occur in the continuous integration and continuous deployment. These 7 steps are continuously present there. One is continuous planning, continuous development, continuous integration, continuous testing, continuous deployment, and continuous monitoring and continuous feedback. These 7 C's mainly life cycle of 7 C's of DevOps. And first, continuous planning. Mainly, it's defined business goals, scope, strategic vision, and also collaborate DevOps, quality and assurance, and stakeholders. Establish timelines, milestones, and delivery expectations. Identify risk dependencies and resource requirements also. Prioritize futures using agile methods and align team with a shared roadmap and responsibilities. These the functions done by continuous planning. And next, continuous development. So mainly continuous development it used to write modular, maintainable, and scalable code. Use version control systems for tracking changes. Follow coding standards and also give best practices also. Implement automated builds for consistent development and integrate peer code reviews to ensure quality and maintain rapid iteration through agile sprints. And this entire work done by continuous development and continuous integration. Finally, so what is the function of continuous integration? That means simply automate code integration from multiple developers. Many of the developers give some instructions and feedbacks itself, and automatically the continuous integration automate the code and integration from multiple developers. This is the main function of continuous integration. And trigger builds automatically on code commits, and next run automated unit and integration tests. Detect bugs early to reduce integration issues and maintain stable shared code repository and generate build report to track code health. And next, continuous testing. So continuous testing is mainly the performs automated test unit functional performance and validate code quality before deployment. It's also continuous testing. It's mainly validate code quality and before deployment. So use test frameworks, conduct security and vulnerability testing, run tests in parallel to speed up execution, ensure zero defect release by catching issues early. So this entire set of systems done by continuous testing. And next, continuous deployment. So the automate deployment pipelines to staging production use concentrations and containerization is mainly Docker done by and orchestration done by Kubernetes. We are using the tool. Docker is one kind of tool, and also Kubernetes is also a tool. So the Docker by done by containerization, and the Kubernetes it's done by orchestrations. Ensure seamless rollout with zero downtime and implement blue, green or canary deployments. Use and also IAC. IAC is nothing but it's an infrastructure as a code. And finally, maintain deployment, reproducibility and versioning. So the continuous deployment it's mainly done. The maintain deployment and reproducibility and versioning. Continuous monitoring. So this is also one more important thing, that is track application and infrastructure performances, monitor logs, metrics and events in real time. Use tools like Grafana, CloudWatch and RealKey. So detect anomalies yearly to prevent outages. Improve system reliability through alerts. So collect operational data for optimization. So continuous feedback. So the main objective of CICD pipeline or else DevOps, that is the main benefit is continuous feedback. We can get continuous feedback, that is gather feedback from users, stakeholders and teams. We can get continuously feedback and analyze monitoring and performance insights. Identify improvement areas for upcoming releases also, and enable product refinement through real world data. So these kind of factors also done by continuous feedback. Close the loop between development and operations. Support continuous improvement in product quality. Benefits of the 7 Cs DevOps framework. So why we go for DevOps framework and how it supports, that means it ensures yearly reduction of bugs. So that is very major advantage for us, saving time and cost. This what we are choosing 7 Cs DevOps framework and CI/CD pipelines. And this is strengthen system reliability with real-time monitoring and alerting, and support scalability by using automation, IAC and containerization. Streamlines workflows, improving team productivity, boost customer satisfaction, and through frequent updates and rapid fixes, and improve collaboration between development operations, QAs, and business teams. Enhances communication through feedback loops. Enable faster delivery of software with reduced time to market. Automates repetitive tasks, reducing human error. That is also the main benefits, one kind of benefit. Increase product quality through continuous testing and monitoring. So we can increase the product quality through continuous testing and monitoring, and boost customer satisfaction through frequent updates and rapid fixes. Provide better visibility into system performance and project status. Encourages innovations through faster experimentation and iteration, and reduces deployment risk also here in the best benefit of 7Cs DevOps framework. Automated and consistent deployment pipelines and promotes continuous learning through constant evaluation and feedback. And one more important of resources utilization um, by optimizing process infrastructure, enhances security with continuous testing and monitoring practices, support agile practices, and increase development velocity, reduces operational cost by eliminating inefficiencies. Reduces operational cost by eliminating manual inefficiencies. That's also a very major benefit of 7Cs framework. And this is the embracing DevOps principles enhances business agility, but success depends on choosing the right tools, overcoming challenges, and maintaining continuous improvement through testing and feedbacks. And for this purpose, we have that is a good development and good improvement and continuous improvement through testing and feedback. These are all the main advantages and main functions of CI/CD pipeline and benefits of 7Cs life cycle and CICD important also. So that the main objective is maintaining continuous improvement through the testing and feedback, and also efficient output, saving time and cost wise also. That's all. Thank you. Thank you.